Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your service with CenturyLink, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your service with CenturyLink, start by gathering your account information. This includes your account number, name, and the address associated with your service. Next, visit the CenturyLink website. Look for the Contact Us section on the home page. You will find various contact methods, including phone numbers and chat options. For the quickest response, call their customer service line. Be prepared for wait times, especially during peak hours. Once connected, clearly state that you wish to cancel your service. The representative will ask for your account details to verify your identity. After verification, discuss the reason for your cancellation. They may offer you promotions or deals to retain your service. If you are firm about your decision, inform them you wish to proceed with the cancellation. The representative will guide you through the cancellation process. Make sure to ask about potential fees or charges associated with the cancellation. Request confirmation of your cancellation in writing. This can be an email or a confirmation number for your records. Next, return any CenturyLink equipment, like modems or routers. Check their website for specific instructions on returning your devices. Keep any tracking information as proof of return. Monitor your final bill for accuracy after the cancellation. If you see any discrepancies, contact customer service immediately. That concludes the cancellation process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth cancellation experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.